All right. So I just gotta make this video, dude. I've been in a rut lately, and I'm gonna get back right. I'm on a 7 trade losing streak, and I can identify 5 of the 7 I'm not okay with. So this right here was the best case scenario for the day. So we are looking at um, this is going to be 8:30 opening price and midnight opening price as well. So coming straight into the day, let me log out. What the heck? So this is going to be a simulation of what happened today to where I can go back on bar replay. So we are looking right here. This is what is basically happening. So we're going to go on to 9 o'clock and then to 9:30 open. It's going to be somewhere around here. So let's drop it down to the lower time frame. So 9:30 open, boom. What do? We drop about 35 points. So coming into the day, we were looking about 85 points. No, that's not right. We were looking positive, like 100 something points coming into the day, right? Yesterday we dropped heavily, very heavily, took out massive sell stops, right? So then we're coming into the day, we're looking at the daily range, and it is around there. We were floating above equilibrium all day long. And what I was thinking was going to happen was, okay, cool. Swatch open, primarily bullish. So what happens? I end up taking one trade right here inside of this imbalance. Why would I be targeting below there? We did have a shift in market structure right around there. So that's why I was like, all right, cool. If the price action is right, I'm going to come back up to this imbalance and see what I can do from there. So there's one loss for the day. Okay, so I'm like, all right, cool. Took one loss for the day. Let's see what's happening. We come back up into this imbalance, and I take a sell right after this candle. Stop loss is somewhere around here, respecting EQ of this wick. I was wanting to go break even right there just in case we wanted to sweep external sell stops. So would have shedded like 2 positions right there to go lower. Now then, proceed to take that loss in full, which was 2 very impatient losses. All right, so I believe that, dude, your weekend can literally bite you Tuesday or Wednesday in trading. I really was kind of affected by the weekend, I guess. I'm just now getting back into things, and it's affecting my confidence and it's affecting my patience. I get paid to be patient. All right. So let's say that that did not happen, right? And I really did fully analyze this. Okay, cool. We're above the daily range equilibrium. Doesn't look like we're going to come back there because we have overall buy stops that have not been ran yet. Plus, we're already bullish overall on the day. So these are the two market structure shifts that I'm looking at. We've already went above this swing high and this swing high, and we did sweep internal minor sell stops. That's how I see it. So we did generate liquidity there. We manipulated a bunch of people into the market to go lower, and as you see, we had a 92 point run up. Now, what do we have inside of here? We are also trading above midnight midnight and 8:30 opening price. We have a buy side imbalance right here. We also have a bullish order block that we could trade into. So now, patience is the game. Let's see what happens from here. Imbalance. All right, cool. So now this imbalance is it is disrespected. This right here is going to be like my second line of support. If we break lower than here, I'm expecting bearish prices. I'm waiting on some type of pullback up to then take out here. Really, we could have traded lower. This right here would have been your area for pyramid entries if the price action was right. So that did not happen. We had a 25 point candle drop. So this is what your risk to reward would have looked like. Just basing it off of this price leg. Wow, that is perfect, and I did not even try to do that. But this right here would be your measured move. So what you could have done was you could have went in the middle of that. This is kind of like even horizon. That's what ICT looks or calls it. That's how I would look at it. You could take two positions, shed off one right here, let your runners run up to there. But this would not be the entry yet. So let's see. Bam. First bullish candle right there. This is a little bit over. This is like 8 points over my stop loss threshold. So could have went down one contract there to kind of minimize risk. So that should have been the trade right there. That is absolutely perfect for a 2.2 RR. Also looking at the 9 EMA, we are looking good. We haven't crossed, so there's no reason to get out of the trade. You could trail your stop up to here. So let me ask you something. Are you not okay, or are you not satisfied with a 2.8 RR trade on a Tuesday for 110 points? Absolutely, I'm more than blessed and more than happy with that trade. Absolutely exiting the trade right there. Plus, we're at all-time highs. So then we proceed to come down a little bit, and this is live market. So kind of what I'm expecting is for us to kind of chop up into here, and then possibly have some type of lunch reversal. I gotta change that. But okay, anyways, so that's what happened today. I just really needed to make this video, and then I want to go over something that I just typed out. This is me just for peace of mind, journaling about trading. Why trading is my purpose and why I'm a profitable trader. I believe in myself, and I believe myself. Oh, excuse me. All right, from the top. I believe in myself, and I believe that this is my craft, and I will master this craft. I am mastering this craft. I truly believe this is how I make it out of poverty. I believe this is my path to success. The first 100,000 is always a bitch. Charlie Munger. With that to say that this is still the beginning phase of trading for me. I believe through a season of doubt and losses that I will overcome. I will overcome this point in my journey. I truly believe I know how to make business-minded decisions in trading. I believe I am the man. This is my craft that I am attempting to master. I know how to not go beyond my intended risk. I know how to come back from a series of losses, and I will not let this take over my progress. I know how to keep an account alive. And I also know how to analyze what's going wrong and to better myself. I must be patient. I get paid by being patient. The 7-loss losing streak has been all about me being patient. I have to journal this to truly believe that my struggles all derive from patience. I have not been patient, which is why I took 5 to 6 unnecessary losses back to back. I'm optimistic about trading. I'm optimistic about success through trading. I will not quit or back down. I come from pain. Pain is my overall teacher. Pain has taught me that I have to be more patient. I will be patient so I can receive consistent payouts. I am the top 1 percentile of traders. Flow with the market conditions and take the best possible setups that I'm given. Do not let trading have the power over me. I will get the job done and make this the biggest comeback in history. This is the journey to 10 top sets accounts, which is $500,000 under my management. I will come back from this and make my trading my reality. So, all that to say this, man, you have to just keep going, and you have to keep going, and you have to keep getting better. I know how to get better. I know how to analyze the situation and see what's going wrong. And I know exactly how to prevent that from happening again. I just wanted to make this video to kind of reflect what I'm going through. And so, yeah, that's going to be it for this video. Hope you guys find this insightful. And I will be back tomorrow with a lot better trading. Peace.